In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Slack. This integration can be incredibly useful for streamlining your communication, ensuring you receive and respond to important emails directly from Slack. So, let's dive right in and get you connected. First, you'll want to open up Slack. Whether you're using the app on your desktop or accessing it through your browser, make sure you're ready to go. Once you've got that open, it's time to sign in. Enter your email to log in, or if you prefer a quicker method, feel free to use your Apple or Gmail login options. Now that you're signed in, take a moment to find and select your preferred workspace. This is important because Slack allows you to be part of multiple workspaces, and you'll want to ensure you're integrating Gmail with the correct one. After selecting your workspace, direct your attention to the Slack Marketplace. This is where you can find myriad apps and integrations to boost your productivity. Simply click on Go to the Slack Marketplace, and in the search bar, type Gmail. Once you've found Gmail in the search results, click on Open in Slack. This will begin the process of adding Gmail to your Slack workspace. You'll be guided through a series of prompts that will help you integrate Gmail seamlessly. Follow these prompts carefully, as they will ensure that the connection is set up correctly. During the installation process, you'll be given the option to continue in the Slack desktop app or through your browser. Choose the option that best suits your preferred way of accessing Slack. This flexibility allows you to have a consistent and convenient experience, whether you're at your desk or on the go. After successfully integrating Gmail with your Slack workspace, you'll notice a new addition to your Gmail account. Look towards the right sidebar of your Gmail interface, and you should see the Slack icon appear. This icon signifies that your Gmail and Slack accounts are now connected, allowing you to manage your email communications more efficiently from within Slack. In summary, connecting Gmail to Slack is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your workflow. By following these steps, you ensure that important emails reach you promptly and are easier to manage directly within the communication hub that Slack provides. We hope this guide has been easy to follow and helps you take full advantage of the integration between Gmail and Slack to boost your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a more streamlined communication experience.